Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I'll be reviewing the GKU D600 4K wireless dashcam. But stay tuned to the end where I'm going to show you some driving footage. The dashcam records at a 4K at 2160p at 30 frames per second when used by itself. You must unplug the rear camera from the front dashcam to make this work. If you want to record the front and rear of your vehicle, the resolution will be 2.5K resolution and the rear will be at 1080p resolution. The resolution will help you see every detail of the road. The GKU Mini Dashcam is equipped with a 170-degree wide-angle lens that easily covers 4 lanes. Now the 4K Mini Wide Dashcam has a nighttime vision which has a f1.8 large aperture, WDR technology, and a 6-glass lens. Now this mount is adjustable up to 120 degrees to get you the best view of the road. Simply move the dashcam up and down to adjust it. The dashcam can be removed from the mount if you want to connect your dashcam to your computer to download your videos, or if you want to transfer from one vehicle to the other. Now the power cable is 9.6 feet long to connect to your power socket. The power cable is equipped with the Type-C USB-N. Now the 4K wireless dashcam comes with the 64 gigabyte starter SD card and supports up to a 256 micro SD. I recommend buying the 256 gigabyte SD card for more recording space, and the prices for these SD cards have gone down. Now I'll put a link for that and down in the description down below to purchase. Now, since this is an app-based Wi-Fi dashcam, it has a slim and compact design that can be mounted behind the rear view mirror and never obstruct your vision while driving. The rear dashcam can be rotated 360 degrees to make sure you get the best view of the road. Now, the rear camera cable is 19.6 feet long, giving you enough cable to install the rear camera. The rear camera has a 140-degree wide-angle lens that captures every detail without blind spots. The GKU dashcam comes with the WDR technology, also known as wide dynamic range. Now, the WDR technology balances the bright light and low light conditions, enabling the nighttime vision to give you clear footage that can be detailed even in low light situations to ensure every angle is covered and nothing is missed. Now the dashcam comes with the Jarvis Cam app for Android and iOS smartphones to get a live view stream, download videos, change settings, edit, and share your footage on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and other social media platforms. All you have to do is scan the QR code of the manual to download the app easily. Now remember, with this app, you could view your files, you could even select a file and review it and then share it on social media, your email, or Messenger. You could even share it with web chat friends, TikTok, right from your smartphone. You could even take a picture with the app and share it as well. You could take a screenshot of the videos that you're reviewing and again share it as well. Now you could even delete your videos right from your smartphone. You could download videos to your smartphone as well. Now GKU recommends that you should download your videos to your phone and then share it. It's a much easier process that way, but either way, it's up to you. Now you could also adjust any of the settings and format your SD card with your app easily. Now again, make sure to change your Wi-Fi password as soon as you connect to the app. Because remember, this is a generic passcode, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is for pretty much all dashcams that are Wi-Fi based. Now for a step-by-step tutorial of the app, make sure to subscribe to this channel because that video will be coming out shortly. And I'll also put a link in the description down below once it's released. Now the D600 dashcam comes with loop recording. Loop recording will create new recordings that will be automatically overwrite the oldest recording when the memory card is full. You don't have to do anything, it's all done by your dashcam. Now you could set this to 1 minute, 2 minute, or 3 minute loop recordings. Now even though you have loop recording, you still need to format your micro SD card at least every 2 months. This is because it's recording new videos and deleting videos. The G sensor is also taking space from loop recording, but we'll get to that G sensor shortly. Now for more information on loop recording, I'll put a link in the description down below. This video is a must for dashcam users. The dashcam comes with collision sensing, also known as G sensor. The G sensor is triggered by a collision or a shake like a pothole, speed bump, or hard braking, and will automatically record a 1-minute video. The dash cam will lock the current footage and will not be overridden by loop recording. This will protect your video for any evidence of any insurance claim. As I stated earlier, you need to format your dash cam at least every 2 months. All emergency lock files created by G-Sensor cannot be overridden by loop recording. This means every lock file takes space from your loop recording. The only way to delete emergency lock files is by formatting your micro SD card. Now, for more information on G-Sensor, I'll put a link in the description down below. Now, this video has valuable information for dashcam users. The dashcam also comes with parking monitoring. To utilize a 24-hour parking monitoring, a HARDWIRE kit is required. Now, a HARDWIRE kit comes with a low voltage protection feature that automatically turns off the dashcam when the car battery voltage drops below a certain level. This helps prevent the car battery from being drained, ensuring that the car can start normally up the next time you use it. Now, when the parking monitoring function is activated, the dashcam will turn on and automatically start a 1-minute video, then turn off. This video will be locked and saved to the emergency file, preventing the footage from being deleted by loop recording. Now, the Wi-Fi dashcam card supports 24/7 parking monitoring with time-lapse mode. By activating this function when parking, the onboard dashcam will start recording as soon as it detects a vibration or a shake. With this feature, you can rest assured that the vehicle is under constant surveillance of any incidents that will be captured for your protection. Now, the dashcam also comes with time-lapse. Now, time-lapse function is in the parking monitoring mode. However, you need a HARDWIRE kit installed to make this work. Remember, you have to purchase this separately. Now, this could be set to off, 1 second, 2 seconds, or 3 seconds. Whatever time you set it, the dashcam will take a picture at that time interval. The dashcam will create a video of all the pictures it has taken. If you set the time lapse for 2 seconds, the dashcam records 2 frames per second, providing continuous parking surveillance recording. And at the end of the set time loop recording, let's say you set the loop recording to 3 minutes. Then at the end of the 3-minute loop recording, the video will show 6 minutes of time-lapse recording. Time-lapse will record a longer duration of footage without missing any details while parked. The dashcam will capture footage continuously for a longer period of time, minimizing the file size. Now, to keep this simple, parking monitoring. If you set that without time-lapse, when you're parked and somebody bumps into you, the dashcam will turn on and start recording a 1-minute video. Now, for time-lapse, it is continuous recording, so you're always going to capture what's going on before the incident, during the incident, and after the incident. Now, under time-lapse, it's like your footage is under fast forward. Now, if you need more information on a HARDWIRE kit and how to install a HARDWIRE kit, I'll put a link in the description down below. Now, this also has emergency video lock function. A 1-second push on the side of your dashcam allow you to emergency lock the current video and would not be overridden by loop recording. So if you see an incident happening, like an accident happening to someone else, you can simply push the function on the side of the dashcam to lock that current video. But just remember, you have loop recording. So at the end of that loop recording, the emergency video lock will stop and you'll have to press it again. Now, this doesn't have a screen, so you're going to have to constantly press the button like every 1 or 2 minutes until the incident is over to make sure you capture all the incident. So now let's go ahead and put this to the test and you can see some driving footage and you can see this is the right dashcam for you. All right, so what did you think? Is this the right dash cam for you? If it is, I'll put links in the description down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos, because I also got the unboxing of this dash cam coming out. I got the installation of this video coming out, and I also got a tutorial of the app coming out for you. Now again, if this video was helpful for you, please give me that thumbs up. You know I appreciate that from you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.